What's up, guys? So I've been a little down, I'm not gonna lie. Car's down for a while. Well, one of the injectors kind of failed, so it didn't sell properly. So made a huge, not a huge mistake, but it sucks. And you live and you learn. So I'm gonna try and learn. And so kind of figured out my grandfather's garage because he's letting me use it, and I wasn't very much prepared for taking out an entire engine, let alone some maintenance. And so but yeah, so me and my cousin kind of cleaned it out a little bit, and yeah, so now I actually kind of have a space to work in, and kind of do everything I'm trying to do. So we got the car in here. No, it's not the my Z. Well, it is my Z. But anyway, so it's basically a project car that's been sitting on the side. You know, it's got a whole bunch of upgraded parts on it, and I was gonna kind of piece them together eventually, and it's eventually. So now it's time to do some work, and so I spent pretty much all day just kind of cleaning this out, just organizing everything the best I can, putting the box back together. Hopefully that's all the tools it'll take me to take this whole thing apart. Highly doubt it though, but whole work area, bench, my broken starter. So yeah, funny story. Starter broke because of the fact that it's how I found out there's fuel in the cylinder. The starter broke in half, like just straight up broke in half. I've never seen a freaking starter do this. So that's when I found out there's fuel in the cylinder, and decided I should stop once I realized the car wasn't turning over. Like, I put a socket on the crank pulley and tried to turn it. Nothing. So big, huge. I wouldn't say huge, but big mistake. But anyway, it's gonna be right this time. And so yeah, taking parts off over here. I got enough room on either side. I'm gonna lift it up and put some blocks under it. I'm honestly gonna use this old mattress pad to lay down on. I really don't care. I'm gonna spend a lot of time under this car, so I might as well get comfy. Yeah, but anytime pull parts off, the ones I'm pulling off this entire car, so I'm gonna pull this, you know, drive shaft, transmission, an engine. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the whole thing, and on this car, and then I'm gonna pull everything off of it that is good, pull it off, and then kind of put the parts over here, stack them up as neatly as possible. Nice little old school creeper if I need it. And yeah, so then I'll have to start pulling the other car apart after that. And going through the entire motor once, get it right, get it done the first time, and be done with it. Just drive it. And hopefully by the end of it, I have a reliable daily driver. Yeah, this car's already kind of chipping away at the little bit of debt, you know, one part at a time. So that's it. Kind of want to give you an update on where I'm at. I really wanted to start today. But my cousin, huge shout out to him. Honestly, he did all this work for the most part. Like, I came in at the last few minutes and just kind of helped out, but he's really done a great job here, and it's given me the room that I need. So thanks, Chip. Really appreciate it. But I really wanted to pull the parts off today. You know, just get started on it, just dive into it. And I mean, this place was, I won't say a wreck, but it was kind of a wreck. And I'm glad I didn't now. You know, I'm glad I cleared out. I cleared out. I'm glad that we collectively cleared out, you know, enough areas for me to actually work and pull a motor, because it wasn't going to happen before. And he said it himself. He's like, you know, you would just dive right into it, and kind of like, yeah, it really would. Really saved me on that one. But I think I was feeling a little iffy about it before. I've been feeling a little bit better about pulling the engine. So let's get it done.